In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video into a WordPress page or post. The process is simple. All you do is go to the YouTube video on YouTube, go to where it says share, click share, and I'll embed it into embed, and then copy this HTML that adds the YouTube video or embeds the YouTube video in a WordPress page or post frame, which is a very interesting HTML element. It is basically adding a portal to another website on your website. 40 by 360 and paste the iframe from YouTube. Change the width to 640 and the height 360. The heading text here is 30 pixels and the spacing, this text module is 25 all around except the top, which is 0. Then I'm actually going to change the text here. Also paragraph text and spacing between the sentences. That concludes our video. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below the video, and subscribe to our channel.